got it flat on the ground, we're just gonna slice the top, slice the bottom. We're gonna get rid of the outer portion. And now here, we're just gonna do long strips of this. So first one I like to do is kind of the quarter end. I remove the other part and then I drop this down. And then I can hold on to it better and then just do slices. Right, so that I get nice long strips like this. Right, this is perfect for like when you want to pickle them, dropping this into like a pickling liquid, which could be red wine or white wine vinegar, some spices. This is what you're looking for. But then that's just one side. So then you do the same thing with the rest. So you're just coming straight down onto the onion, just like that. And when you get to the end, same thing. Just drop it so that it's lower. You have more control. Turn it around. Same thing. Just slices just like that. And then once you come in here, you just kind of take them apart and you have these nice long strips. This is really good for like if you want to caramelize them and then add maybe some mushrooms, some cream, some Madeira, and make a nice sauce that can go on top of a pork chop or steak killer sauce. This is kind of what you're looking for. And that's it.